Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'll be showing you all how to make perfect baked sea fish. So let's begin. So for making baked fish, we're going to take any fish. I've taken sea bass. Generally I feel when you're baking any fish, sea bass gives us more better flavor and taste. You can take kingfish, you can take hamur, you can take any fish whatever you like it. I have slitted it and I cut it like a book. It's not completely open, and I've also slitted it in both the sides. Now for the marination or the masala for the fish, I'm taken 50 grams of coriander leaves, around 10 grams of parsley, around 10 grams of spring onion, only green part I've taken, not the onion, and lemon. I've taken around 30 pieces of pistachios that are not roasted, neither is salted, a normal one. 2 green chilies, you can increase this if you like it spicy. 2 inches of ginger finely chopped, 2 big cloves finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I've also taken red chili powder according to our spice, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, and salt. Now as a blender or a grinder, I'm going to add coriander leaves, spring onion, and parsley. The first thing I'm going to grind all three of this. So I've roughly grinded. Now I'm going to add all the remaining ingredients, everything. Garam masala, turmeric, red chili, and salt. Now when you're grinding, many people do mistake by adding water. We are not going to add water, but we are going to add olive oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons are enough. I added 2 tablespoons. So I've roughly grinded it. Now I'm going to add lemon juice, freshly squeezed. And I'm going to grind it one more time. Now this is the green masala, the chutney which we grinded. I'm going to apply it to the fish. Apply it every single place. You can use brush too. I prefer to do with my hands. It gives me a more satisfaction when I do some work like this. You can also fill all the masalas in the slit where we have done it. So when it bakes, you're going to taste it very awesome. After applying or marinating the fish with the spices, with the grinded masala, you don't need to refrigerate it. You can straight away bake it. Now I'm going to drizzle little more olive oil. I've already preheated the oven and I'm going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let me also tell you that why I have used the nuts. Adding pistachios, now you don't have pistachios, you can also use cashews. Adding pistachios to the chutney helps to bind it, and the nuts absorbed the juices that leaks from the fish. It's very tasty. The nuts will be absorbing all the juices. So I'm going to bake it for 180 degree for 15 to 20 minutes. So friends, I baked it for 20 minutes in 180 degree, and after baking you can see it's nicely come up. I'm going to drizzle little more olive oil just to give the finishing and that shine. And now I'm going to serve this with salad and lemon wedges. The chutney what was remaining after marination, we are going to cut the fish and we're going to eat with the chutney. It tastes so good. I hope you like this recipe. So friends, I hope you like today's recipe. Please do try it at home. Subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family. Until then, see you by next time.